students. Welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter.
Subject Maths, Standard First, and topic is Understand and write numbers 6 to 8. Dear children, these are all the numbers that we are going to study today. Okay, that is from 6 to 9. Okay, now we have already learnt about numbers 1 to 5. Correct? Here we will go through these numbers. See, this number is telling I am 1. The spelling for 1 is O-N-E, 1. This one is telling that I am 2. T-W-O, 2. I am 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. I am 4. F-O-U-R, 4. And I am 5. F-I-V-E, 5. We have learnt about these numbers in last lecture. That is from 1 to 5. How to write and how to read them we know properly. Isn't it? Yes, dear children, today we will proceed to the next number. Okay? Yes, here we can see in the first case, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we know how to count this, right? 5 stars are there. When we put one more, then it becomes 6. Okay, the total is nothing but 6. After 5 comes 6. Okay, how we write this? See here, this is 6. Okay, now we have 6 stars. Now here we can see 5 flowers. Isn't it? Okay, we are going to add one more to here. See now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6. Right? Now all together there are 6 flowers. Isn't it? Here we will come to birds. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one more, that is 6 birds. Okay, altogether they became 6. So how many stars, how many roses and how many birds are there? They are all in 6 numbers. Got this? Okay, we will go through how to write 6. See, dear children, please observe these dots clearly. In this manner, we have to write 6 while writing number 6. See here. Okay. When we trace these dots, we will get like this. Okay, this is nothing but 6 number. The spelling for 6 is S-I-X, 6. Okay, got this? Now, you know this is 6. How it became? 5 and 1 make 6. Right? When we added 1 to 5, we got 6. See here, 6 fingers. You are right? These are 6 fingers. right? 5 and 1, correct? Now here small poem. Cockroach has legs 6. Count them if you wish. See here cockroach. Okay. This says how many legs? See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is cockroach. Cockroach has legs 6. Count them if you wish. I hope you understood about number 6. That is 5 and 1. Isn't it? We will move further. Now dear children, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars are already there. We will add one more, then we will go to the next number. Right? Here they all together they became 7 in numbers. After 6 comes 7. Okay. Now here we can see 6 flowers. We will add one more flower. Then total is nothing but 7 flowers. Okay. Now here we can see 6 birds. And we are going to add one more bird. So all together there are 7 birds. Okay. So each thing is 7 in number. Correct? We will understand how to write this 7. Okay. Now see here the dots. Please give concentration. See, like this we write 7 in this manner. Okay. And we will trace these dots. See here. Got this? The spelling for 7 is S-E-V-E-N. 7. Okay. How we write? Like this. One horizontal line and one vertical line. Okay. In a little inclined manner. Now here 6 and 1 makes 7. Because 7 is the next number after 6. Here you can see 7 fingers. Right? 5 of one hand and 2 of second hand, that is 7. A small poem. 7, 7, 7. A rainbow has color 7. A week has days 7. See dear children, this is rainbow. Right? How many colors it has? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 7 colors the rainbow has. Right? Like that only. How many days are there in the week? See, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Means here also we have 7 days. Okay, once again we will go through this small poem. 7, 7, 7. A rainbow has colors 7. A week has days 7. Okay, got this? We'll move to next number. Here we have 7 stars. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is 7th one. Okay, now here 7 stars are there. We will add one more to this. Then this is nothing but 8th star. So the number is 8. How many stars are there? 8 stars are there. Okay. Now here we can see 7 flowers. We are going to add one more. So we got 7 and 1 makes 8 flowers. Okay. Here 7 birds are there. We are going to add one more bird. So all together they became 8. Okay, means all these are 8 in numbers. Got this, children? After 6 comes 7, then comes 8. Okay, now we will go through how to write 8 by using dots. See here, 8 number has 2 rounds, 2 zeros we can say, correct? But how to write? See here, like this you have to trace 8. Not to give zeros one above the other, but we have to write like this. Okay. Now we will trace. Got this? The spelling for 8 is E-I-G-H-T. 8. The number is 8. We write like this. Okay. Here 7 and 1 makes 8. Correct? And here we can see 8 fingers along with caps. Correct? Now a small poem. 8, 8, 8. An umbrella has sticks 8. Come on children, sit up straight. Please sit straight. Okay. 8, 8, 8. An umbrella has sticks 8. Come on children, sit up straight. You know how to sit straight, right? Yes, here umbrella has 8 sticks. We will move to next number. Here you can see 8 stars. We'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We are going to add one more to this. Now this is 9th star. So all together we have 9 stars. How many stars? 9 stars. Okay. And here we have now 8 flowers. We are going to add one more flower to this. So all together they are 9 in number. Birds are 8 here. One more bird joined this. So the group has 9 birds. Got this, children? Means in each group there are 9 members. Got this, children? Okay. Now we will go through how to write 9 by using dots. Please observe carefully. See how we write. First half circle, then a line. Okay. Now we will trace this. Got this, children? And the spelling for 9 is N-I-N-E. 9. And how to write 9? Like this. 8 and 1 makes 9. You know now, correct? 8 and 1 make 9. Here you can see 9 fingers along with the caps. In one hand 5 fingers are there and in the other 4 fingers. Right? There are total 9 fingers. And here you can see 9, 9, 9. The clock struck 9. All the children stand in a line. Here this is clock, ghadi, isn't it? Wall clock. Here 9 number, you know the number now, right? This is 9 number and this clock is showing 9 o'clock. Okay. So the poem is 999. The clock struck 9. All the children stand in a line. I hope you understood about 6, 7, 8 and number 9, that how to write and what is the spelling for these numbers, isn't it? We will go through the poem once again. Okay. Cockroach has legs 6. Count them if you wish. 7, 7, 7. A rainbow has color 7. A week has days 7. 8, 8, 8. An umbrella has sticks 8. Come on children, sit up straight. 9, 9, 9. The clock struck 9. All the children stand in a line. Got this? Yeah? Once again we will go through. Cockroach has legs 6. Count them if you wish. 7, 7, 7. A rainbow has color 7. A week has days 7. 8, 8, 8. An umbrella has 6, 8. Come on children, sit up straight. 9, 9, 9. The clock struck 9. All the children stand in a line. Good, very good. Now we will move to some activities. Place the string in such a way that 6 objects will be in its loop. See, this is a string. String means dhaga. Okay? And we have to make such an arrangement that all the 6 objects which were shown below, they should be in its loop. See, this is a loop of string. Okay? And here we have some lanterns and some diyas, lamps, isn't it? First we will try these lanterns. How many lanterns we have to adjust in this loop? 6, right? So we will take this string and we will try to adjust 6 lanterns in this loop. See here. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We will move to lamps. Here also so many lamps we can see. Only 6 we have to adjust in the loop. See here slowly. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Right? Next, again, same thing is there. Place the string in such a way that 7 objects will be in its loop. Now we have to adjust loop with 7 objects. Here the objects are, see, caps and peanuts. So many caps are there. We will adjust only 7 in the loop. See this. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Isn't it? Now we'll move to peanuts. Here so many peanuts are there. Only 7 we have to select. Any 7. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? Next, place the string in such a way that 8 objects will be in its loop. See, this is our string and we have to adjust only 8 objects whichever are given below. Here we can see pencils and erasers. How many pencils we have to select? 8. Any 8. Okay. We will go through. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? We have selected only 8 pencils. In the erasers also we have to select only 8. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. For the children. Next is we have to select 9 objects. Right? Place the string in such a way that 9 objects will be in its loop. Here we can see the boxes and the stars. How many we have to select? 9. Correct? We will go through here. Yes, we have selected 9. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we will select 9 stars from these stars. Okay. Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Like this. You have to count and you have to select the number of objects said. Thank you children. I hope now you are perfect in writing 1 to 9 numbers in digits and in words. Okay. Now here 6, 7, 8 and 9 they are telling bye bye to you. Yes dear children, we will practice the same in the next lecture. Okay. Till then, take care.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.